So now that we're here, we're gonna set up to blow this little building down with an airbag and hopefully knock the whole thing down in one go. But we're not too sure, so we're here in the Yaris, Toyota Yaris. She's seen better days too. So now this is the inside shot.
Is that off it right now?
See how rotten it really is. I don't think we're going to need it. Yeah, we're going to try to blast this building down with an airbag. And if that doesn't work, we're going to rip it down with the Toyota Yaris. We're going to Yaris it. Yarr, matey. Shot of how rotten the roof is. All the walls are all dilapidated. So we're going to cut her up and blast her down. Yeah! Alright. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's gonna go down.
Not much trouble going through the stud.
No, not at all. That's airbag worthy. See that door's taking a lot of payload. Probably try to take the door off.
Just a bit right.
So we're at the point now, we're going to test this airbag and try to blow the corner off this building.
Three,
2, 1. That was dust. So we had come to the realization that the airbag was more of a bang than it was a boom. It was a bust. Big fail. It was cool though. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, so we got the front half tore down. Got a little rubble pile burning. Got her knocked off that side. The back over there is knocked off. It's basically this corner here and that corner way over there. I think she's coming down soon. So now it comes with the Yaris. I tie off on here and give her a little bump. Wheels and squeals, baby. Alright, here we go. We're going to pull her down with the Yaris. Didn't do nothing! It's fine. Alright, Yaris power. Oh. Minor complications. Gotta get this basketball net out of here before we go any further. She's got a good lean on her now. She's sagging pretty swell. Wicked fire. Gonna have to get some more accelerant. That's how you take a basketball net there. Yeah. Almost tight, tight. Well, give it a bump. Give it to her. Yeah! Oh, keep going, keep going. Oh, back up and hit it. Yeah, you're gonna get it. That should be good. This is it. Yeah, overdrive. Ah! Damn. Alright, hold on. Let me grab that rope. Man, that was so close. Alright, another pull with the Yaris. Let's see what happens. Yeah! That's what we're talking about. That's what we were going for. That's mint. Yeah, Yaris power. Let's go have a look. Pretty dandy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Beautiful day to tear down a building.
nudged it. Just eased.